Yes, bamboo. Elina is also enjoying. My sister is gonna try first time a one.
Now we'll start the game.
Alright.
Gas power! Gas!
You need to do it.
Okay, I do it also. Mare, 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 mare. Go, Praxe, go, 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 go. Ladies and gentlemen, how dinner looks here.
Lunch, not dinner, my goodness. Lunch.
Sorry, it is not a dinner, it is a lunch only. Here is my mother. Both of my mothers actually. And here the magic happens. Khasi way, local way. Cooking rice obviously, chicken, beef. All kind of dishes around here. What's going on, Monica? What are you cooking there? Sacha, sacha.
Yeah.
Aha, rice. Obviously we have water also, music system, can listen some music. Kong Mai is doing their garlic. If there is no garlic in the food, there is no food also. Garlic need to be in the food, it's tasty. Makes your food very tasty. Something is going on. Something is going on. Who is the winner? Olio. Huh? What is it? Huh? How? Aha. Okay. Tum tap. Up. You go get tum tap. Shh. You go get tum tap for us or what? Actually, I think maybe you can get the tum tap here. There's a small, is it pond? Called pond? No, it's not pond. It's not river. It's not even a river. It is something. But there is some small water is running here. Like this. What? Huh? You go hunting? Shh. Hunting? Ah, nee. Come, okay, you go. Watch out that you don't fall. Whoa. Because we don't use any plastic plates or forks. We eat with the hands, and then we're gonna use as a plate. We use banana leaf. Obviously, Indians know what I'm talking about. I think boys are fishing or what? There is some fish. There is some fish or what? Yes. Ah, frog. You eat frog? You eat frog or what? Where is Bahe? Oh, it's there somewhere. Is something new for you?
Yes.
Totally new.
Yes. Never been in a jungle or a field.
Rice
Looking
field.
How you're cooking open fire.
Open fire. It makes it more tasty actually. Yes. My mother-in-law. Kong is doing a pineapple here for us. Good. And always I have said it never gets old. Best pineapples in Meghalaya, guaranteed. Guaranteed. No doubt. Bahe is doing something here. Oh, Bahe is cutting the bamboo. No? Food, rice or what? Or what to do? Huh? Wang. Oh, wang. Okay. So that's for wang. And wang is, for my understanding, is a banana heart. Could say. Comment if I'm mistaken. Chicken is here. Look at the chicken. Chicken, my goodness, good chicken. Nice chicken. Hello, my beautiful wife. How is everything?
It's fine. Just waiting for the food.
You hungry?
Yeah. It's first time for Elina.
First time in Elina, eh?
Yeah. Here in the field.
Ah,
Food.
yes.
gathering together as a family.
Yeah,
It's so wonderful.
that's what.
Best moment.
That's what. And also my family also here.
That's what
good.
your family and my family gathering together.
Yeah,
It's very beautiful thing. We're really gonna have a wonderful day
that's what.
today.
Yeah.
And we have so many things also to do. The
Yeah.
kids have some games to play.
Ah,
Whoever wins, they're gonna get some gift to make them happy.
Mom is drinking in a bamboo. First time is a first time. Eikö ole hyvä? Guys, what are you doing?
Making a small house.
Small house.
It's not so strong.
How do I look?
Good. Yeah.
Salad is coming. Biang. Ni. Kong Mai, what is this one? In Khasi. Uptia. Opiat. Onion and something else. Onion and garlic. Elina is also enjoying. First time in Battlefield. Here in Meghalaya. How beautiful is that? Family is always beautiful.
He's a dinosaur. He's a Spider-Man. Hey, Spider-Man. Who's Spider-Man? See that? Oh, they must be Spider-Man. Up. Wait. We will be a Spider-Man now.
What is the Spider-Man doing? Look at the Spider-Man. The Spider-Man have his own thing. He's doing his own. He's going his own way. Doing his own thing. Minding his own business only. Kakali tip top kakali kabasing kabule pamentori kanipa abala oh yeah. Oh, don't you worry, don't you, baby, don't you worry, I don't need you now. See you tomorrow, I'm so crazy. Apache. Food is getting ready here.
Smells delicious.
Yes. Raja, you tell something. Say something.
Ay, may tugas na ay.
Tugas lang labo at kaya po radya lali siya.
Leo, ano pa bam sana pa man?
First time eating a local style in a banana leaf.
Yes.
My goodness, looks good.
Yes, it does. It smells good.
And then you take rice.
A little bit later. I taste this now.
Okay, you taste it first. First impression. How is it? Good, no?
Good chicken.
Yes. Like I said, guys, you always find my mom. You just look at her. Even she's in the push, you can see the red there. So first you need to burn the
Yeah, the bacteria.
bacteria and the insects also, if there is any. And then you just use it as a plate.
Nature has given us so much,
That's what.
so we should use it.
Absolutely. First impression, ensimmäinen.
Ensimmäinen luonnon ateria.
Mm.
Luonnossa. Luonnollinen ateria luonnossa.
Mm. And then try the chicken also. How is the tomato actually here? Vai miltä maistuu tomaatti?
Hyvä.
Onko hyvä? Chicken.
Hyvä.
Good. Okay, so my sister is gonna try first time a wang. Wang. Let's go wang. Because this is gonna be very different taste for Finnish mouth.
Good.
How is it? How you can describe that taste?
Little like mushrooms.
Like a mushroom?
Yeah, it feels like mushrooms.
Ah. And is it spicy?
Yes.
It's very spicy. Eh? But you like it?
It's good.
Good.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Yes.
Ah.
Really spicy.
Very spicy.
So.
Now we'll start the game.
All right.
Yeah.
So what is happening?
Actually, your sister, she told me about the game,
Aha.
and your sister could explain about that game.
Game is called kottikärrykävely.
Oh. All right.
Kottikärrykävely.
Okay. So it's like a ball bearing walking.
Yes.
Could say like that.
Yes. There is a driver,
Aha.
and then the kottikärry
Aha.
is
Ballbearing.
walking. Is walking with hands.
Right.
Yeah, and then there is a driver.
All right.
Yes.
So we play that one.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, guys.
And she's the judge.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Guys, are you ready to rock and roll?
Okay.
My mother is also there, like guiding. Hey, how to do, huh? Go, 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 go! Let's go! Fast! Hey! Give a clap. Yes. Good. Oh, then we have a pen and paper here.
Yes. I'll write now to announce later.
Okay, you announce later. Huh.
Now we need to do it.
Oh, we need to do it also. Oh
Yes.
my.
Come on. No, actually, because you guys are adults now and they are very young. They are small, so you should change the group. You choose your partner and your sister will choose the partner
Okay.
with whom you will be.
Ngade baladrong am dukam re.
Hey, yes. Okay, girls versus boys now. Who wins? Okay, move. Kinatang gitu. Okay, girls versus boys. Okay. Come on, girls power. Show the girls power. Okay, mom. Mom.
Let's go.
Go! Come on! Come on, go! Girls power! Come on, yeah! Yeah, girls win! Woo! We win! No! Girls win! Woo! You boys lose!
to do it.
Okay, I do it also.
Yes.
Come on.
Okay.
Up kita kita. Come on, baby. Woo!
Explain first. So this is a green light, red light game, right?
But we don't need to run now, we have to do slow.
Yes, slow. Yeah. Suki. Suki, nah.
Are you ready? Yeah. Okay.
And then you need to touch her. Right? Yeah.
Start.
The first pull out. What's going on? Okay. Oh, okay. Toto. Come here. Nah. What we play? Oh, rice. Here. To. Biang to. And how we play then? Okay, we play like that. Okay. Two leg run.
Yeah. And they need to
But they need to tie it like that. Oh, okay, I got it now. Okay.
Guys, ready? Okay. Mom.
Hang ni habadon mga ama.
Hup! Go! The next game is you need to run, but you need to have your heads together and run. You got it? Run! We have the winner! Leo says that there is no game for me. Now we found the game for him. Mare! We let the bus go round and round. Go to the Mare! Yay! Good! Woo! Leo! Go! Go! Leo is going. Oh, yeah. Game is game. How you say in Khasi ready? How you say ready in Khasi? Sedang. Let's go! Hey! A little loud. Brother and sister.
Yeah, brother and sister, who's gonna win?
Let's go.
My turn. Is the winner.
Congratulations.
Now we're gonna do arm wrestling.
Okay. 2, 3, go. Okay, finish. Evin win. Okay. Are you guys ready? 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go! Go, 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 go! 1, 1, 3. Go, 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 go! Let's go! Ay, 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 ay. Go, go, balap! Go, go! Pranksy, go! Go, 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 go! Ah, guys! Who is the winner? Who is the winner? Who is the winner? 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go, 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 go. Who is gonna win? 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 Go, go, don't give up, don't give up, never give up, never give up, never give up, guys. Let's go. Push it, push it, push it. Go, go, go.
Jake Paul is here.
Yeah.
Tyson and Jake Paul.
Jack Paul, let's go, let's go. Oh. Fighting.
Now is the last round.
Uh-huh.
So here we have Jake Paul
Jake Paul,
and Roman Reigns.
Roman Reigns. Let's go. 2, 3, go, 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 go. Push it, push it, push it.
Come on,
Go,
you
go,
can do it. Come on.
go. Wow, that is the winner.
We have the winner.
Yay!
This chair game, the winner is Leonardo.
Leonardo! Let's go play, go play. Yeah, go! Yeah!
Frog race.
Aha!
And the winner is Raja.
Raja! Woo!
Okay.
Good. Let's go! Woo! Bronxley! Let's... Yes, good, yes. Come, come! Yes, good. Thank you for watching. We're gonna see you in the next episode. Like and subscribe. AB family.